Hi guys, welcome to Davinci Resolve 15. Of course, the first thing you want to do is to download this free video editing program and install it on your computer. To get Davinci Resolve 15, you have to go to blackmagicdesign.com products/Davinci Resolve. I put this link within your resources for this lecture. You can just click on it and get there. Now, when this video finishes playing, you will have the download button here. And of course, if you like, you can go through this page to see exactly what Davinci Resolve 15 has to offer. It became quite a powerful program by adding the fusion effects and I would say the motion graphics if you like. From the button over here, you can click on download and you have two options. You can download the Davinci Resolve 15, the free copy. It's fully functional, or you can download the Davinci Resolve 15 Studio. The Studio version is mainly directed towards multi-user collaboration. You have a big office, you have many editors, colorists, and stories like this. And also it has certain very powerful effects that are enabled. This course will be based on the free copy of Davinci Resolve 15 because we can all afford this one. So you can choose your operating system here. For example, I can choose Windows, fill all your information, register, and download. And of course, you want to unpack and install. Please, when you're installing, it will ask you for certain options. Check all of them. Make sure that everything is very well installed. Now, I'll see you in the next lecture. I will start working with Resolve 15. See you then.